Hello, this is Mike Thalis. I just wanted to document an engine overhaul. I don't think that's the right term. Anyways, I'm basically placing all the gaskets, and I wanted to document it for YouTube, something, I don't know. Just wanted to put a video up, and this is going to be a long process, so because it's only my second time doing it. I was 16 or 17. I just got my S10 and I ended up doing it with my uncle. So, but it's my second time doing it. So I bought all the gaskets already, and I'm gonna go ahead and start documenting. The truck that I'm working on is a Ford F150 1990 302 5 liter 302. So I'm going to show you the first step that I've taken so far. Okay, as you can see here, I have started draining the oil and the engine coolant. As you can see, I've got a bit of a mess down here because of the fact that coolant likes to follow every channel, every pathway other than the one you want it to go down. So I ended up having several buckets and a lot of napkins, a lot of paper towels to clean up. So that's where I'm at now. You never want to leave coolant on the ground because it does taste good to animals, and they will drink it, and they will die most likely, or poisoned really bad. So you always want to make sure you clean that up. So all right. So now that the coolant's been drained, I'm going to go ahead and close up the stopcock and close the oil drain. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take off my throttle body and get all that detached. Just as a side note, I've actually already taken off the air cleaner system, so that's all already been removed, which is probably already pretty obvious. I have on my throttle body, I got four bolts. Okay, I'm taking off the throttle cable and the TV cable going to transmission, I believe. I might be wrong on that. Again, I'm just an amateur doing this, so I might not use all the correct terms. But I mean, I got to take this this part off. One of these is I believe the transmission cable. The other one is going to the throttle body, the accelerator, the pedal. So we're going to take this off next. See, it's just a snap-on connection, a little ball joint here. There's a little ball joint shoulder, and that just fits into the little cradle here, so it just pops off. And you don't even have to, you just leave that just like that. Next thing we're going to do is next thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the coolant hoses that are run into the radiator. The coolant goes right through the throttle body. This is going to get a little messy, so okay, always good to have paper towels handy. I'm going to, I gotta kind of keep this from going everywhere. There might be still something left over. Okay, I guess it's all out. That's good. Okay. I've just kind of went everywhere just then. Anyways, I've removed the this would be the output of the coolant back into the radiator. Okay, we're gonna unplug. We got the idle air sensor. For some reason this works the best is the I don't know why this works, is the probes from a voltmeter. They were able to wedge themselves in there enough to where I could use both my hands. It's ridiculous, I know. It's ridiculous, but it works. Okay, so I got that sensor off. Now, okay, let's see. I got two vacuum tubes, vacuum lines in here, in the back here. Not sure what they're exactly for, but got to come off. Okay, now let's go ahead and got one more coolant line here. having to take the whole thing. I'm going to take off the bolts here so I can get to that last coolant line a little easier. So we're getting the bolts off now. When I finally do get the bolts loose enough where I can do it hand tie, I usually take off the extension off the ratchet, and I usually just do it by hand. It makes it a little easier than trying to do it by getting my fingers in there and trying to do it that way. And the inevitable dropping one of the bolts is going to happen, so keep those. And I'm going to be pretty methodical. I'm going to be pretty methodical about this, so I'll probably end up, every time I take all apart, I'll probably put either tape the parts to the I'll take the bolt, whatever bolts I take off, I'll probably tape that to the part itself, so it doesn't get confused on where they go. Okay, so we've got the throttle body off. So now we're going to go ahead and just put this away, and probably end up cleaning this again. I cleaned it once. I don't know if you can see that gunk, but it's there. So, okay. And of course, this is what we're going to replace this. We've got a new one, so we're going to be replacing that.